Now I'll add in salt, just about half a tablespoon, and I'll stir fry it. Next stage, I'm going to add in my water. I would like to explain something here. I will now cover it with a lid. Depending on the rice, the type of rice you cook, it depends also on the brand, that you will know the amount of water required to cook your rice. So I will probably add a photo of the brand that I'm using to cook this rice, this Angwamo. Then you have a clearer understanding of what I'm talking about, because some rice do require a certain amount of water and others less. So I'll show you the brand I'm using and the amount of water I use in cooking this wheat rice. So now I'll cover it with a lid. So this is basically halfway through the cooking, and it's about 5 to 7 minutes now, because I'm not using a lot of rice. I'm going to cover it with a baking paper. You can use what you have, and then lower my stove for it to simmer, like in a very low, for the rice to simmer, and then cover it with a lid. So this is the rice I used for my recipe. So if you'd like to know the brand, this is the brand I'm using. I got mine from Costco, so if you want to get yours. So I just wanted to give you a clear view of how, and depends on the brand you are using, depending on the rice, the type of rice and all that, and how it's also cooked, and the amount of water required, and how you want it. So it's a lot of things put together. So this is the pan I'm using. So after 10 to 12 minutes, my rice is done. My wheat rice is done. Wheat rice and Angwamo. Let me give you a close view. It's well cooked. if you really enjoy watching this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel as always. Many one is here. Many one is here. The same day. Namazi channel. It doesn't share on the same channel. And share this recipe with your friends and family. Hope you enjoy watching it.